everyone, and welcome to another video by Lifestyle Solution and Tesla Talks. I'm your host, Mike Stowe. Today we are talking about the almighty Tesla Cybertruck and its massive laser wiper blades. Laser powered? Laser wiper blades? What? Anyway, stay tuned. We'll figure this out. Now, the Tesla Cybertruck was spotted with some new features, including a massive vertical singular windshield wiper. I'll say that 10 times fast. Similar to what the company intended to use with the next-gen Roadster in patents. Now, the Cybertruck was unveiled in 2019, and Tesla intended to build the vehicle this December. However, supply chain bottlenecks, demand increases, and Tesla's soon-to-be completed factory in Austin, Texas, where the Cybertruck will be manufactured along with the Model Y, have all contributed to delays in the initial production process. In fact, last evening, Tesla revised the language on its online design studio for the Cybertruck, removing the indication that the vehicle would be produced in 2022. Instead, Tesla now says the reservation holders will be able to complete their orders as production nears. And that's the same with Canada as well. If you go on tesla.ca and go to build the Cybertruck, it says the exact same thing. You'll be able to complete your modification or somewhere similar to that as production nears. Now, with no definitive time frame for manufacturing, Tesla is still developing the Cybertruck as the all-electric pickup was spotted on company's test track, the Fremont factory in Northern California. The test track has been used for Tesla's vehicles that have been in development for some time. In January, the Model S Plaid was spotted on the test track roughly 5 months before deliveries began. However, the Tesla Semi was also spotted on the test track earlier this year, and initial deliveries for that vehicle are expected to take place soon. This is especially relevant as Pepsi has started installing a mega charger at its facility in Modesto, California, in preparation for the 15 Tesla Semis that could take delivery before the end of 2021. Now, YouTuber Chile A1100 flew a drone over the Fremont test track on December 10th, recording what appeared to be a newly revised Tesla Cybertruck, sporting some interesting features. Let's go through those features. When Tesla CEO Elon Musk went on the Joe Rogan Experience podcast and spoke about the Tesla Cybertruck, he said that the Tesla is revising the size of the vehicle, but only slightly. Tesla did not want to lose the overall design of the truck, so the dimensions were only to be revised by less than 3%. Now, I want to stop right here, and I want to mention that I recently saw a video on Facebook with Jay Leno and Elon Musk test driving the Cybertruck. Now, this was early 2020. Now, he said Elon Musk told Jay Leno that they have to redesign the truck and they have to make it smaller by 5%. 5. Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the truck does not fit in garages, like residential garages, as it stands right now. So I want to know what changed between 3 and 5%. Let's jump right back into this video. Now, according to Musk's own statement, additionally, patents showed that the Tesla may have been entertaining the installation of solar panels on the Cyber tonneau cover, which would give the vehicle additional range. Now, we've heard this story before from Tesla, but really the solar panels won't give enough juice to the battery to really give it any more range. Having said that, having solar panels on the tonneau cover would help if you run out of juice. Of course, you might be stuck on the side of the highway for a couple of days, but at least you wouldn't have to pay for a tow truck to come and get you. Now, the most noticeable feature of the Cybertruck spotted on the test track was the massive windshield wiper blade that ran vertically up the vehicle's driver's side. Interestingly, Tesla had planned initially for a laser-powered Cybertruck wipers. When it was unveiled in 2019, the Cybertruck had no wipers. In September, Tesla gained patent approval for the laser-inspired wiper design. The design seen on the Cybertruck at the Fremont test track is similar to that of the next-gen Roadster, which Tesla gained approval for in January. The full video can be seen below. I'll link that in the description below. There are also some interesting Model S designs on the test track, which Tesla appears to be refining. Now, I'd love to hear from you. If you have any comments, concerns, or questions about this video or the Tesla Cybertruck, please comment below. I will respond to them in future videos. And I also want to state, I have my deposit on my Cybertruck. Do you have yours? Do you want a Cybertruck? Let me know below. Reasons for wanting or not wanting. Until next time, for Tesla Talks and Lifestyle Solutions 180, I'm Mike Stowe. Bye for now.